Hello and welcome. My name is Monica Bravo. I am a nutrition and radical life coach. I am actually the founder of the Wellness Center of Sonoma County, and my job, my goal in life is to help other mamas who have fatigue, who are having troubles waking up in the morning, who've lost that giddiness, that oomph, that joy to wake up in the morning. So I help mamas get their energy back. I do this with a variety of tools. The number one tool is teaching them step by step how they get their energy back. Maybe you've been diagnosed with adrenal fatigue. Maybe you've been diagnosed with hypothyroidism. Maybe you've been diagnosed with IBS. Maybe you're just so sleepy in the morning and you just want to get your energy back. I am here for you because I've been through all of those issues. After child 1, 2, 3, I've had been blessed with so many different journeys, and I've decided to create a Bravo Mama tribe so that you can connect with other mothers just like you, but also so that you can become part of this community that has the same issues you have, that are on the same journey as you are, or where you can talk open and honestly about your feelings. And in this tribe, you will be getting coaching, group coaching from me. We will have a private community where you can come on and ask specific questions about what things are going on in your life. And all the moms are going to be in a similar journey as you are. And I've been on that journey. So I provide mindset tools and tricks. I provide you information on how to prioritize your life. I also give you feedback on your daily rituals. I provide you with meal plans, and together we will start cleaning up our diet, cleaning up our gut. I will give you some of my favorite tools that are going to help you change your brain chemistry, your gut health. It's going to help you change your mood so that you get that joy back and you feel balance. What I want you to do is feel like you can get through your day with energy, and you're prioritizing yourself and you are prioritizing your self-care. And I help you shift your beliefs so that you are really committed to changing your inner beliefs and really fall in love with your true self. So I hope you will join our community. If you have any questions, please just message me below. I can't wait for this journey to start for you. Thank you.